Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, do you need ID for Monese? I know this is a question that a lot of people are asking, so I wanted to take some time to answer it in detail. I'll also be discussing some of the other requirements for opening a Monese account. So, let's get started. What is Monese? Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. Monese is available in the UK, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. Do you need ID for Monese? Yes, you need ID to open a Monese account. This is because Monese is a regulated financial institution, and they are required to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and counterterrorism financing, CTF, regulations. These regulations require Monese to verify the identity of all customers. What ID do you need for Monese? Monese accepts the following forms of ID: passport, driving license, national ID card, biometric residence permit. Your ID must be valid and unexpired. How do you verify your ID with Monese? You can verify your ID with Monese in two ways. Online, you can upload a photo of your ID to the Monese app. In person, you can visit a Monese partner location and have your ID verified in person. What other requirements do you need to open a Monese account? In addition to ID, you will need to provide the following information when you open a Monese account: your full name, your date of birth, your address, your mobile phone number, your email address. You will also need to create a password for your account. Once you have verified your ID and provided the required information, you will be able to open a Monese account. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching.